Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out from your account on the Tango application. So let's get started right away. Now, if you need to log out from your Tango application on any device, then from this device, go ahead and open up the Tango application first. Once you open up the application, you can navigate to the account options and proceed with logging out from your account. But this will still save some of your login information to the Tango app, which means if you wish to log out safely and securely, then you will need to clear your user data as well. In order to do this, long press on the Tango application and tap on the info button at the top right corner. This will now take you into the application info page for Tango. If the application is still open, tap on force stop at the bottom right corner to stop the application. You can then scroll down and tap on storage. Now from the storage menu, tap on clear data at the bottom left corner and tap on the delete button, which will clear all of your user data for Tango. You can also tap on a clear cache if this option is visible. Once this step is completed, if you go ahead and open up the Tango application now, you will see that your account has completely been logged out and you will once again need to enter your credentials to access your account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log out from your account on the Tango application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.